The Ranch Hand Legend bumper is one of the toughest on the market. It is frame mounted and has a one-piece, fully welded construction that collectively reduces vibration, prevents rattling, and ensures a secure fit. The main body of the bumper is manufactured from 4-inch Schedule 40 pipe and diamond plate steel, and the grille guard portion is composed of 12-gauge tubing, which provides wraparound headlight protection. The punch plate grille insert is specifically designed to match the make and model of the truck with no expanded metal used. The Legend front bumper comes standard with a 2-inch receiver. Most applications keep tow hooks and factory fog lights. It's constructed with a super polyester black powder coat finish to defend against corrosion for ultimate protection and durability. Originally designed for ranchers and farmers that needed more than just a tough-looking bumper, but rather one that could assist in a full day's work, this is the iconic ranch-style bumper that started it all and paved the way for those behind it that only aspire to duplicate. If you're interested in the Ranch Hand Legend front bumper with grille guard, check out the dealer locator in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with Keys to Ride.